Try to get out of it.
This?
Try to get out of it.
Girl, your hand's stuck. I got this app where I can take videos on this now. Finally. It's gonna rip your clothes.
Ow, it's on my finger hair. Okay. So do I have a new number since I have an iPhone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Stop.
Ew.
So Jill,
Yes.
I had to end it on that note.